In this video, we'll show you how to use simple voice chat in Minecraft. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. So if you just installed simple voice chat and you're playing on a server that supports it, the next step is actually knowing how to use it properly in game. So just in case you haven't installed simple voice chat, you can go to CurseForge. I'll put the link in the description. So just click that, and once you're here, you want to go to the Files tab and then just download the correct game version. And for the mod loaders, we're gonna use Fabric for this video. Click the three dots on the right and then download file, save it somewhere on your PC. By default, it'll go to downloads folder. Hit save and the download will start. Before we continue, a big thanks to Apex Hosting for sponsoring this video. If you're playing Minecraft with friends and need a server, Apex Hosting makes everything super easy. Their servers are fast, stable, and work perfectly with mods like simple voice chat. You also get 24/7 customer support, so if anything goes wrong, help is always available. The setup process only takes a few minutes, and if you use the link in the description or pinned comment, you'll be supporting the channel at the same time. So thank you so much. And the next thing you need is a mod loader. You can go to fabricmc.net to download Fabric Loader, and once you're here, just click download and download the universal jar. Hit save and the download will start. Go to your downloads folder and now you'll have simple voice chat and Fabric installer. First, we need to install Fabric. It's a jar file, so you need Java installed on your PC. To open this, you can go to java.com to download the latest one, and then just right click, open with, choose another app, select Java from the list and hit always. It'll open up Fabric installer. Make sure you're on the client tab, select your Minecraft version and hit install. Once you're done, you can click OK and close the installer, and then let's install simple voice chat. Open up your Minecraft launcher. On the bottom left, make sure you select Fabric profile and then hover to the top and go to the installations tab. Look for your Fabric installations and click the folder icon. It'll open up your Minecraft installation folder, and here you need to go to the mods folder and simply put simple voice chat jar file into the mods folder like that, and that's done. Now you can launch Minecraft with Fabric, join your Minecraft server like normal. Once you load into the world, you'll see a message saying press V to set up. So let's do that. Press V on your keyboard to open up the setup guide, and you'll see this. You actually can skip this, but I highly recommend you to follow the setup process. So just hit next. On the next screen, you're going to select the speaker that you're using. So for me, it's going to be this one, and then hit next. Now you're going to select your microphone. I'm going to select this one and hit next again, and then we're going to select activation method. You can set it to push to talk or voice activation. Push to talk means you have to press and hold a button to speak, and for voice activation, it automatically activates your microphone when you speak. For this, let's select push to talk, and because I select that, I have to assign a keybind to activate my microphone. You can click here and then press the button you want to set. So for example, I will use P like that, and then you can hit next. And there we go, the setup is complete. You can click finish setup, and there we go, you're ready to go. Now you can press V again on your keyboard, and here if you're using voice activation, make sure it's not muted. But because I'm using push to talk, I cannot unmute this. I can only activate it with the keybind I assign. And from this menu, if you want to change any settings, you can go to settings here, and then you can customize your settings. So for example, voice chat volume, you can change the gain, you can turn on noise suppression, change activation method, and also the push to talk keybind. You can also change the microphone and speaker. Now for me, every time I want to talk, I can press the keybind I assign and just say what I want to say.